Hi everyone, I'm Dave, the product lead from Bird BnB here at Runaway. Bird BnB is a new mobile game where you build a BnB for birds. You can also switch to AR mode to plant your tree anywhere in the real world. Here's why. We sent some Runaway folks out to visit some real birds and see what they thought of Bird BnB.
Kia ora, Pukeko. It's raining bickies. Do you still think New Zealand is the most beautiful country in the world? I think that's a yes.
Would you recommend Bird BnB to your noisy friends over there?
So tell me, do you feel like this is a safe neighborhood for birds?
Do you like aerobics? Oh, cool. Did you know there's a gym at Bird BnB?
What was the bar like at Bird BnB? You prefer swamp water? Me too.
Have you ever had difficulty booking in the past? Totally, I get the problem.
And would you stay again?
Do you want to stay at Bird BnB, or would you rather just cuddle? I'm okay with this.